The talk in the street, Nifty has survived STT hike panic and also the AI panic where IT and software stocks simply collapsed. The biggest positive takeaway was that despite headwinds, the Dow Jones Industrial Average hit 50,000 milestone for the first time ever. Our call of the day, go long Nifty with aggressive interweek month targets at 26,373.20 mark. The biggest positive catalyst for our stock markets, the real cheer, is that this February, foreign institutional investors, FIIs, have flipped back to be net buyers to the tune of 5,489 crore rupees, adding fresh fuel to the rally and reinforcing confidence in the market's medium-term and long-term trend. Long story short, from budget blues to ending the week on a firm footing, sentiment clearly turned the corner, thanks to the US-India trade deal announcement. Net-net, from panic patience optimism. Classic bullish market behavior. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of rupees 20 to 55 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 4.2 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive rebound play. Fan of February month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 12.19 levels. At last check, USD INR, February, was hovering near the 90.77 levels. Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.19 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.01. Nifty outlook. Nifty will aim to reclaim the psychological 26,000 mark on the backdrop of positive global cues plus in hopes of more FIIs buying. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5867. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,779 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,800 and 26,000. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 84066. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 83,878 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,500 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,700 to 84,700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 60669. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 60,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 61,765 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 60,300 and 61100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The Dow Jones continues to flirt above its hard-fought 50,000 milestone. So, this Tuesday morning, there are no negative surprises, no shocks, perfect bullish backdrop for the benchmark Nifty. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Vodafone Idea, plus 3.87%, 11 rupees. 55. Vodafone Idea has gained 2% in a month and surged 77% in 6 months after Kumar Mangalam Birla bought 4.09 crore shares, 0.03%, via open market between 30th January and 1st February, signaling promoter confidence. 2. Steel shines, frontline metal stocks hit record highs on strong demand outlook. Steel stocks rally as Tata Steel, plus 2.18%, JSW Steel, plus 0.63%, and Jindal Steel, plus 0.01%, hit fresh record highs on the BSE, buoyed by expectations of strong demand outlook. FIT sees India's steel consumption growing 8-9% over the next few years, led by infra, construction and manufacturing. 3. Kalyan Jewellers, plus 14.66%, 436 rupees. Kalyan Jewellers Q3 FY26 profit jumped 90% YoY to 416 crore rupees, revenue surges 42% to 10,343 crore rupees. 4. SBI, plus 7.63%, 1,148 rupees. Shares of State Bank of India, SBI, emerged as the top gainer on the Nifty 50, surging 6% after its Q3 results, marking its biggest single-day gain since June 2024. Q3 FY26 results to trickle in today. Titan, United Breweries, Grasim, Apollo Hospital, Britannia, Eicher Motors, Oil India, Torrent Power.